Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently purchased some of the large Nicole Diary stamping plates from AliExpress. I've already shared a few with you. There is still a few more to come as well. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Nicole Diary stamping plate L07. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. I'll be taking a swatch from each row. For the first swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. I personally love this image. You could stamp it a few times in a lot of different colours and in different places, sort of a marble nail, but a really pretty image though. For the next swatch I'll be using a coral coloured nail tip along with a red stamping polish. This image you could very easily add some colour like in a reverse stamp or a decal, multicoloured background or Sharpie background. So much to do and the detail is very beautiful, a really nice floral swatch. I will one day crack the reverse stamping. For the next swatch I'll be using a red coloured nail tip along with a white stamping polish. Now personally I do not like how this swatch has turned out. It's not the image swatched badly, but more that the colour combo. I just don't think it works as well as I'd hoped for. In the photo swatches you'll see it in a much better different colour combo. It really works in that one. For the next swatch I'll be using a dark khaki green coloured nail tip along with a midnight sparkly green stamping polish. Now if this swatch doesn't scream sweater design, I don't know what it does. I love it though. This is definitely one I want to recreate in a full mani in the winter because it is just stunning. It works so well. Absolutely love it. For the next swatch I'll be using an orange coloured nail tip along with a metallic burgundy stamping polish. An image like this would work all year round and in many colour combos as well. Again, there is a lot of detail, you could add some extra colour to it, but a really nice image that's swatched really well. For the next swatch I'll be using a light pink coloured nail tip along with a neon pink stamping polish. I don't think I've ever seen an image like this one. I might be wrong, but I really like it though. Not sure how I would use it in a full mani, but I love pattern images like this one. They make some really interesting manis. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches, a mani that I've created from Nicole Diary stamping plate L07. Nicole Diary stamping plate L07 is full of pattern, geometric and floral images, and there is 30 large images. I personally love plates like this. I have a good collection of them, but I always find something different on each one. You can mix these images with a lot of other designs, like the florals would work with another plate from Nicole Diary that I recently swatched, L05. I will leave a link in the description box for that video. So creating a mani using both L05 and L07 is something I want to have a look into. There is a few images on L07 that can make what I call eye funky manis. They can really make manis stand out and always look fantastic. Again, using these large Nicole Diary stamping plates, I have to say I'm really impressed with the quality of them and I'm having zero issues with them as well. I was unsure to start with whether I would like them or not, but I do like them. Again, like L05, they are a nice size image and they fill these pop sticks and nail tips really well. L07 would be a good all year round stamping plate to have in a collection, and I think there is only 5 or 6 images that I wouldn't use, so that's really good for this size of stamping plate. I still have a few more to bring to my channel, so stay tuned for those to come, including their Halloween stamping plate. But I love all of these swatches. I'm also starting to bring out the autumn winter colour pop sticks as well now as we're heading into autumn, and I'm loving them. As I said in the video for L05, I think there is 12 large style plates from Nicole Diary, and each plate offers something different, and I definitely want to add some more of them to my collection. They're a really nice range of style of images. And honestly, I think I prefer them to the smaller ones. You get much more for only a little bit more money, but that's just me though. I like that they're inexpensive and very easy to use, even the iFunky ones. I'm looking forward to returning to L07 and L05 to see what else I can create. There is definitely a good variety of images to use. I seem to be getting a lot of inspiration for manis. I just wish I had a bit more time to create them. Doing full swatches and manis takes quite a bit of my time. But I do love the mani I've created from L07. It's definitely very me, but I definitely want to see what else I can create as well. So for the mani, I went with a light grey gel polish for my base colour, and I've turned it also matte as well. I've used 2 different images to create this mani, and I've used a black stamping polish. They work so well together. This wasn't what I had originally planned to create, but I definitely prefer this and I would wear this all the time. I absolutely love it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on this Nicole Diary stamping plate L07. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.